Hello, this is Judy. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel. Today I'm working on day 15 of Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches, and I am working on photos from my wedding long time ago, finally getting them into an album, and I'm using the Now and Forever paper collection and colors and stamp set that Close to My Heart came out with in February. It's gone now, but I love it, and if you have it, I hope to inspire you to use it or use any collection you might have. So those strips of paper there, I actually stamped. I just did some random stamping with the different images in the stamp set to create those paper layers. And that's something you can do whenever you run out of pattern paper. If you have a stamp set to coordinate and use the same colors, you're good. So the photos I am using are of our limo ride and then our vows. And I did paper strips at the top and the bottom. And here I'm just showing how that's a little off camera because I'm at a retreat and my recording isn't quite the way I'm used to. I just put them together and then I made the paper layers match going across. So here I have the title, and I cut it out of ballerina glitter paper and layered it onto a old cardstock color. I'm not sure if it was sand or cashmere or something like that, but I was going to put the title there and it didn't show, so I'm bringing out an ink color. Toffee was too light, espresso wasn't the right brown, but mocha seems to be a really good match. And I'm using a blender brush, taking the ink off of the stamp pad, rubbing it off onto the stamp pad lid to distribute the ink and the bristles without wasting any ink on scrap paper. And this will darken it up so I can lay my title on there. Now, I don't have much video for this layout, but I hope you enjoy what I do have. And please check out everybody else who's following along with this series. There's lots of great inspiration in the video links down in my description. And thank you for joining me. Have a great day. I will have lots of close-ups for you to enjoy.